Hey everybody, so I'm decided that I'm going to go ahead and start kind of touching up this kit. So this kit is what I put the instructions, here they are. This is a little background on it. It's from a series called Super Robot Wars. It's a video game series that combines a bunch of the various giant robots in Japan media or an anime. And this is one of the originals, not from a previous property, but original to Super Robot Wars. And I believe it's God. I never learned how to pronounce this name. It's called the Wildraubiter, Wildraubiter. I think that's how you pronounce it. So a little history on this kit. I got this from my first Ikkicon way back when, and it was actually my first Kotobukiya kit. I never built a Kotobukiya kit before, and this is the first time I've ever built one, or this kit was back then. And I built a lot of the Bandai Gundam kits, but never Kotobukiya, so I wasn't really sure what to expect. And I will be honest with you, I was a little disappointed, and it did kind of stray me away from getting Kotobukiya kits. And I do kind of regret that. A lot of it though is because it just felt like pretty loose. Because I mean, it's it transforms. It's a parts former, but it does for the most part fully transform outside of one little thing, and that could be why I just kind of on it. I remember pieces would pop off here and there. I know one piece that pops off a lot is this chest piece right here. Just easily comes right off. Makes cool for battle damage, but just pops right off. And yeah, see, there we go. Yeah, but it definitely is a pretty cool kit. So, okay, yeah, he's coming apart. So, what I plan to do is one. Really, I'm actually planning just rehauling it from the start, from the basically take it all apart and start from scratch, like I'm building it for the first time. Because there's like lots of little nub marks. Don't know if you can see it, like right there, like that. Oh, that's a big one. This was, yeah, and look, parts aren't even snapping together right. I mean, this was early on, like I think within a year of me getting into Gundam kits and stuff. So I definitely have a I've definitely come a long way since I worked on this kit, and I really would like to give it the proper, like, I guess, shine or treatment that I know it deserves. It can be a really good kit, and oddly enough, when I pick a kit to custom or touch up or whatever, I do it at random, and while I was building my last kit, this Gundam from the Origin, I kept thinking, I want to touch this kit up. I want to touch this kit up. And well, I picked it at random using the random number generator, and it was this kit. So I guess it was meant to be that it's this kit's time for its sun, time in the sun, time in the limelight. So that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, this kit is a 144 scale. It's as big as your average high grade. Let me see. For comparison, here is the high grade GOG. Again, 144th scale. It's about 5 or 6 inches tall. Really not that. It's standard high grade size. So, as I was saying, what I plan to do is honestly, at the end of the day, make it more look like the instruction booklet here. However, there are a few caveats. One, I am not gonna paint. I'm not gonna paint it, as in like I'm not gonna redo the white. Not gonna do any of that for 2 reasons. One, it's November. Weather isn't exactly the most stable here, and temperatures go all over the place. So I'll never get this kit done. It will just be another one of those. I started this project and it sits there forgotten. And two, um, I just kind of lost interest in doing full customs, but doing touch ups. Now that I like to do because I still get to do like a straight build, but I get to have fun touching it up. So, and then it makes, I just like the way that looks. So, full weathering effects, battle damage here and there. Definitely cleaning up the nubs. Paint applications, I will be adding detail work to it, like down here, there needs to be black on those vents in there and so on. And correcting some builds, and I didn't know this, but looking at the actual actual art on here and looking at like art of it and stuff, see that's the animation model. I assume. Holy crap! This thing's piloted by a loli. It's been forever since I've actually opened this up, but the wings, the wings are supposed to go up. That's as far as they go. So I did something wrong in there back then, back in God like 2011 or so. I did something wrong, so I got some stuff to fix up. And the reason I'm making this video is I want to document via Instagram's video, Instagram TV or Reels or whatever they're called. I want to document this process. So, and you know what? Maybe I'll upload to YouTube too. I'll do like a weekly upload of me documenting this figure being, or this model being touched up. So, yeah, hopefully I'll see that through. So maybe like once a week, I'll go through like, okay, here's what's been touched up since then. And that'll be it. Obviously there'll be no touch-up video this week because it's already Thursday, so no point in saying uploading it every Friday. But that's what I'll be doing. So hopefully, if you're into that, wanna see this, Wildraubiter, I don't know how to pronounce your name. That's something I need to look up. But wild super robot here get the justice it deserves, because it deserves better than this. And I know I can do a better job at it now, so I'll definitely be doing that. So yeah, if, like I said, if you want to check that out, stick around, and hopefully we'll get through this kit together. So thanks for stopping by.